Ever wonder why some people seem to have a magical connection with cats, drawing them in without even trying? It's not about luck or treats. It's a subtle bond cats feel deep in their instincts. Join me as we explore the hidden traits that make someone a cat's favorite human and uncover the emotional needs your cat wishes you knew. Stick around to learn how to become their trusted safe haven, their true home. Cats aren't aloof. They're highly selective. Unlike dogs who share love freely, cats choose who earns their trust with every slow blink or gentle nudge. So, what makes someone irresistible to cats? Let's dive in. Number 1. They respect the cat's pace. The most cat-magnetic people don't rush in with eager hands or loud voices. They practice restraint, giving cats the space to make the first move. Cats are wired to be cautious. Sudden approaches can trigger their predator avoidance instincts, even in domestic settings. Instead, these people blend into the environment. They sit quietly, move slowly, and let the cat observe and decide. This non-intrusive approach says, "I'm safe, no pressure." To a cat, that's an invitation to connect. Try sitting still, avoiding direct eye contact, and letting the cat approach on their terms. When they do, the bond is authentic and lasting. Number 2. They exude calm confidence. Cats are incredibly sensitive to emotional energy. Think of them as living mood detectors, picking up on your internal state. Someone who's anxious, loud, or erratic sends out chaotic signals that cats instinctively avoid. In contrast, a calm, grounded presence feels like a safe harbor. You don't need to be a Zen master, but projecting steady, quiet confidence makes a difference. Move deliberately, speak softly, and avoid sudden gestures. Cats evolved in environments where stillness equaled safety, so when you embody that calm, they're drawn to explore you further. Number 3. They speak cat language. Cats communicate through subtle cues: tail twitches, ear angles, whisker movements, and eye shapes. People who connect deeply with cats are fluent in this silent language. They notice when a cat's tail flicks in irritation and paws petting, or they return a slow blink to signal trust. Learning these signals is like mastering a new dialect. For example, if a cat's ears tilt back, they're feeling uneasy. Give them space. A slow blink from you can mirror their affection, deepening the bond. By responding to these cues, you show respect for their boundaries, which builds trust fast. Number 4. They make play a primal ritual. Play isn't just fun for cats, it's a biological necessity. Every leap, pounce, and swat taps into their hunting instincts. People who excel at engaging cats don't just wave a toy around. They mimic prey. They move the toy unpredictably, pause to build anticipation, and let the cat catch it. This approach satisfies the cat's need to hunt, stalk, and triumph. Letting them win boosts their confidence and strengthens your bond. Try dragging a feather toy like a fleeing mouse or dangling a string to spark their instincts. What's your cat's favorite play style? Share it below. Number 5. They build predictable routines. Cats thrive on consistency. Routines aren't dull to them. They're emotional anchors in a world full of change. The people cats love most maintain steady habits. Feeding at the same time, sitting in the same spot, or even the sound of your morning routine. These patterns signal safety. Create small rituals like a quiet greeting each morning or a specific way you open the blinds. Cats notice and relax into these rhythms, associating you with security. Consistency isn't just practical. It's a form of love they can rely on. Number 6. They tailor affection to the cat. Human affection often involves hugs or kisses, but cats have their own preferences. Some love full-body pets, while others prefer a quick chin scratch. The best cat people observe and adapt to what the cat enjoys, whether it's sitting nearby or accepting a gentle head bump. Pay attention to your cat's reactions. Do they lean into cheek scratches or pull away from belly rubs? Respecting their style shows you're listening, which deepens their trust. It's not about what you want to give. It's about what they're ready to receive. Number 7. They celebrate the quirks. Cats are wonderfully eccentric, zooming at midnight, staring at walls, or squeezing into tiny boxes. People who try to control or correct these behaviors miss the mark. Those who laugh and embrace the weirdness become trusted allies. When you accept a cat's quirks with humor, they sense it. They feel safe being themselves, which fosters affection. Next time your cat chases an invisible bug or meows at the ceiling, smile and let them be. That acceptance is a powerful bond builder. Number 8. They understand the deeper meaning. Liking cats is common, but understanding them is rare. The best cat companions know that purring can signal stress, not just contentment, or that a slow stare might be a challenge, not an invitation. They recognize that rolling over is often about trust, not a call for belly rubs. This insight makes cats feel truly seen. Study your cat's behavior and learn what their actions mean. When you respond with understanding, you build a connection that goes beyond affection to a deeper sense of kinship. Number 9. They give the relationship time. Cats don't rush relationships. Some bonds form in days, others take months. People who demand instant affection often scare cats away, but those who wait patiently earn lasting loyalty. Let the cat set the pace, moving from tolerance to trust to love. Be patient through the process. Each small step, a hesitant approach, a brief purr, is progress. When the bond forms, it's profound and enduring, built on mutual respect. Number 10. They listen without words. Cats don't care about your words, they feel your presence. The people they choose are those who sit quietly, observe closely, and notice subtle shifts in posture or mood. A slow blink, a relaxed tail, or a soft purr speaks volumes, and these humans listen with their eyes. Practice being fully present with your cat. Watch their body language, mirror their calm, and let silence be your conversation. This quiet understanding is what cats crave most. What makes some people cat magnets? Is it instinct, or do they simply speak the cat's language better? Share your thoughts below, and if you've ever earned a cat's trust after weeks of patience, tell us your story. Even if you're a cat's chosen human, there's more to their emotional world than most people realize. Cats have deep, instinctual needs that go beyond food, toys, or cuddles. Understanding these can transform your relationship, making you not just a caregiver but a true partner. Here are the 9 things your cat wishes you understood. Number 1. Let them claim you. When your cat rubs their cheeks on you, your furniture, or your belongings, they're not just being cute, they're scent marking. To a cat, scent is security, a way to say, "You're mine." Responding positively, leaning into their head bumps or stroking the marked area, reinforces their trust. Pulling away can make them feel rejected, so embrace these moments to strengthen your bond. Number 2. Let them succeed in the hunt. Playtime is more than entertainment. It's a primal need. Every chase mimics a hunt, and cats need to win to feel fulfilled. Constantly pulling the toy away can frustrate them, leading to stress or aggression. Let them catch the feather or string, then offer a treat to complete the cycle. Hunt, catch, eat, rest. This builds confidence and trust. Number 3. Honor their parallel bonding. If your cat follows you but doesn't cuddle, they're not aloof. They're bonding in their own way. Parallel bonding, where a cat stays close without touching, is a sign of trust. Resist the urge to pet or pick them up. Instead, offer your hand low and let them decide. Respecting their space deepens their emotional security. Number 4. Leave your scent for comfort. Your scent is a powerful anchor for your cat, especially when you're away. Leaving an unwashed shirt, hoodie, or blanket gives them a sense of your presence. This is especially comforting for anxious or rescue cats. Place it in their favorite spot to create a safe, familiar space that says, "I'm still here." Number 5. Create morning rituals. Cats crave predictable routines, and mornings are a key part of their emotional rhythm. A consistent greeting, a soft word, a slow blink, or a gentle pet sets the tone for their day. These small acts tell your cat, "We're connected, and today is safe." Skipping them can disrupt their sense of stability, so make mornings a bonding moment. Number 6. Provide vertical territory. Cats feel safest when they can survey their world from above. High perches, shelves, or even a clear dresser top give them control and reduce stress. If your home lacks vertical spaces, your cat may feel insecure. Add simple options like a window perch or a sturdy shelf to boost their confidence and trust in their environment. Number 7. Offer multiple sleeping spots. Cats' sleeping preferences shift with their mood, temperature, or emotional state. A confident cat might sprawl in the open, while an anxious one might hide in a box. Provide varied options: a sunny windowsill, a cozy hideaway, a perch near you, to give them emotional flexibility. Rotating sleep spots is a sign they feel safe exploring their needs. Number 8. Master the slow blink. A slow blink from your cat is a powerful signal of trust and affection, like a feline, "I love you." Ignoring it or staring back can feel cold or threatening. Return the slow blink and look away slightly to say, "I trust you too." This simple ritual builds a deep emotional connection without any touch. Number 9. Respect litter box privacy. Cats are vulnerable when using their litter box, and a noisy, high-traffic location can stress them out. Place the box in a quiet, low-traffic area and avoid cleaning it immediately after use. Let their scent linger. Giving them privacy during these moments builds trust and prevents stress-related behaviors like accidents. Cats don't love like humans do. They communicate through presence, patterns, and subtle cues. When you understand their emotional needs, your relationship transforms into something profound. A partnership built on trust and mutual respect. Which of these signals does your cat show most? Have you noticed one you've been missing? Share your experiences below to help others connect with their cats. Every cat deserves to be truly understood, and every moment you invest in their emotional world brings you closer to being their favorite human.